Kung hindi nakikialam ng MILF, bakit doon sila sa teritoryo ng MILF? Or if not the territory, at least adjacent territory that the MILF could easily control?
Actually, hindi ho yung community, it's a community. Karamihan doon po ay civilian na nakatira doon. So, in a civilian community, you cannot compartmentalize movement of people. And then, granting na nandun si Basit Usman, pero nagtatago.
Why did MILF and BIFF not coordinate with the government by sharing intelligence operation? Ba't hindi nyo binulong man lang doon sa mga peace panel advisors and operators?
Well,
Kung nandyan si Usman at si Marwan sa amin. Kung talagang in good faith kayo na tayo gumawa ng Bangsamoro Basic Law.
Well, we have mechanism to do that. We have the Ad Hoc Joint Action Group. Ang mandate po ng Ad Hoc Joint Action Group po ay to interdict and isolate kidnap for ransom groups and other criminal gangs.